Have I got a sodium hack for you? Now, you probably know that too much sodium is very unhealthy. And if you've been my client, you probably know I'm on top of you for your sodium all the time. Now, if you're anything like me, you love ethnic food. And how much ethnic food, especially like Thai foods, have a ton of soy sauce in them. But it's so good and you don't want to miss out, but you also don't want to have super high sodium for the day. Well, here's a little trick for you that I started doing, and I tell you, this is fail proof. It works every time. So if you have a recipe that calls for, say, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, what you're going to do is you're going to pour that soy sauce in, and I pour it to the halfway point of whatever it says. If it's half a cup, I'll put in half a quarter, or I'll put in a quarter of your soy sauce. And then you're going to take water and fill it up the rest of the way. So basically what you're doing is you're putting in half soy sauce, half water for whatever the amount is, and you're gonna add that to your dish. You have just halved your sodium. And let me tell you, there is so much sodium in soy sauce. There is 650 milligrams in 1 tablespoon. And there is no recipe out there with 1 tablespoon in it. It's usually like half a cup. So whatever the recipe says, use half the amount of soy sauce, fill the other half with water, and I have never tasted a difference, ever. So it's a perfect way to get your sodium down. Make sure you keep sodium under 2,300 milligrams a day if you are under 55 years old. And if you're over 55, you want to be under 1,500 milligrams a day. And that's your tip today from Earn That Body.